Welcome to I Want to Teach English. Today we're talking AI in education, specifically which tools are actually useful for teachers and which ones are just overhyped distractions. Dozens of AI platforms have been tested for lesson planning, writing instruction, and even classroom management. Some of them are definitely game changers. Others, let's just say, they look good in a TED Talk, but not so much in a real classroom. First up, ChatGPT, or Claude, or even Gemini for planning. AI is great for brainstorming writing prompts, differentiating texts, and generating sample responses at multiple proficiency levels. But do you really want to hand over your lesson plans to a robot? Probably not. But for rough drafts, it's like having a teaching assistant who never sleeps. Here's a tip. Always fact-check and personalize your content. AI gives you a scaffold, but not the final structure. Next, we have Canva's AI tools. Canva's Magic Write and Visual AI tools are perfect for creating anchor charts, vocabulary cards, and editable templates. It speeds up prep time without sacrificing quality. Visual support is critical, especially for English learners and students with special needs. This tool makes it fast to produce clean visuals of many sorts. Now for the AI tools that sound impressive, but don't quite land. Number 1. Fully AI-generated lessons. Some platforms promise done-for-you lessons in seconds. Sounds great, but they're often generic, misaligned, or not culturally responsive. They don't know your learners, and that's the problem. Teaching is relational. No tool replaces that. Teachers who try to wing it with a completely AI-generated lesson plan often regret it later. Number 2. AI grading tools. AI can spot grammar issues, sure, but nuance, student growth, voice? Not so much. It may be a good idea to try a few yourself, but while they're decent for basic corrections, they miss the heart of student writing. Number 3. Tools that assume all students are digital natives. There are AI platforms built with the assumption that students can self-navigate apps or dashboards. For many students, especially English learner newcomers, that's just not realistic. Simplicity matters more than slick design. Let's look at some simple AI workflows that are actually useful to teachers. First, start with ChatGPT or Claude to generate a writing prompt tied to a theme or grammar point. Then, ask it to model a short response at a beginner level. Next, use Canva to make a one-pager graphic for vocabulary support. Finally, layer in some engagement strategies, sentence stems, and a writing task, something like what is included in Writing Journey for beginners. It's fast, flexible, and still grounded in what learners need. Seriously, if you haven't gotten your copy, the link is in the description. Having video components that accompany lesson activities are a real game changer. And you can use AI to help you produce tailored content for your lessons. Here's the bottom line. AI is a tool, not a teacher. When used wisely, it can free us up to focus on what matters. Building relationships, delivering feedback, and empowering students to find their voice. So use it, but use it thoughtfully. Don't let shiny tech replace your professional wisdom. If this helped you think differently about AI in education, hit subscribe and drop a comment. What tools have worked for you? What's been a flop? It's always a great idea to share your experiences in the comment section. Thanks for watching.